Hey, I'm Morrison, and this is my Live Intrigue Pro 29. My bike for 2020, and it's a new bike that Liv has just launched. I've gone for a trail bike, so it has less travel, just because with COVID, I feel there'll be less shuttles, so the days are going to be a lot longer. It's going to be massive liaisons, bigger hills, and I feel the stages here are quite physical, so yeah, I was hoping that that will help me along the road for this race. Yeah, for this year, I've gone 27 front and rear, and then last year I ran the mullet, which I really loved, and this year I've gone full 29, so yeah, trying everything. It's 140 in the front and 125 in the rear. Yeah, so I've got the Onyx up the front. It's a pretty big enduro fork, but obviously a little bit shorter travel. And then I've got a Jade X coil at the back, which has a progressive spring on it. The Minion DHR, that's my go-to on pretty much all trails, unless it's really, really muddy or bike park. I've got the Hope brakes, cranks, front chainring, and hubs and rotors. Yeah, I bought silver everything just to tie it in with a bike. Try and get all colour matchy on it. I guess it's in the name, Rev Grips. Yeah, I started running them when I broke my finger, and I had heard about them that they help with grip strength and arm pump and hand pains. So the rougher a track, the more kind of suspension I want in my grip. And if it's a cross-country style race, I don't need all that much. So yeah, I've changed it around a little bit. I think my suspension setup, yeah, I feel that has to be quite close in the ballpark for me to be happy and to gel with my bike well. So we've done a lot of testing and a lot of runs, and even got the motion instruments data acquisition on it, and yeah, that's all helped me heaps. I think I do run it maybe slightly soft, like not excessively, but a softer feel and a faster rebound, so because it has a lot more give on hits or lots of bumps, but I can easily bunny hop it or get the front wheel up over stuff. I feel it's real stupid, it's not performance based, but just because it's the newest thing on my bike, I love my new sticker on my one-up bar, because it's like oil slick, and it's just beautiful. It changes in the light, and yeah, that's my answer on the spot.
Every little detail is.
Yeah, just the newest.